Hi everyone. I know it's been a long time. I'll say more than 3 months. Not 3 months, more than 4 months. And I haven't posted any videos. So there was lots of ups and downs in my life during these 4 months. I'll say about the entire 4 month journey. And I this will be my second episode, and my first episode I have shown I started with a capital of 2.43 lakh. So before that, I started option buying with a capital of 50k. And why I did the option buying from, let's say, 29th November 2021 till I'll say February end. Then I started option selling, and from option buying I lost around 6.5 lakh. Okay, 6.5 lakh I lost from option selling, then sorry, option buying. And I was in big trouble. Then I started option selling, and let me tell you, I recovered my entire loss of 6 point close to 6.5 lakh, and I am in profit, and I ended this last financial year in a profit of around 1.44 lakh. So definitely this will be definitely a motivational video also for at least some of you. So without any further thing, let's go to the video directly. So this is my Upstocks account, and you can see that my current capital is 43 lakh 83,000. And you know where I started and where I am now. So let me tell about this journey. I started option buying with a capital of around 50k. And I did from 29th November 2021. I did it option buying till last month, February, not sorry, till February 2022, around 24th. That was the day when I think I closed the option buying and started option selling. I stopped option buying by around mid of Feb. Then I did only option selling, and I lost around 6.5 lakh. And the last trade I did in option buying, I with a capital of 4 lakh, I lost around 2.3 lakh in a single day. So almost more than 50 percentage of my capital got wiped out in a single day. And which was like, I'll say, a big blow for me. And it also started making me think in a different direction. So then I had equity shares. I closed all those shares because it was already in loss. And I had mutual fund. I closed the mutual fund also. Then I got some money from my company for finishing my MTech course. So I put all those money and my whatever savings I had, and then to this option selling. Not only that, to raise my capital, I took a personal loan for 26 lakh. And in that, around 24 lakh I put in this option selling. So with all that money, it came around less than say 32 lakh 50,000 or something. It was around that. And with that I started option selling. And I was extremely happy to say that I made around 4.5% return every week. And so I made around 19 to 20% return in this last just in the March month. And I was able to recover my entire loss which I made from option buying in 3 months with the option selling. And I ended the financial year in profit. And I am looking ahead for the next financial year with a lot of confidence. So I am posting this video to tell you guys that nothing is impossible, everything is possible. And whatever myth you have in options or stock market, all are wrong. And who if you ask me who is my inspiration, I will say PR Sundar and Shahrukh Shamsuddin are my inspiration to come to this especially to this option trading world. So I was doing only option equity share investing. I started it with when during this COVID time, when I had a lot of personal time and I was at my home. So I started the equity investing. I did lot of strategies there. I got a profit, and then I made, let's say, I made around 20% of profit with a capital of around 10 lakh, close to 10 lakh, or I'll say maybe more than 20%, maybe 30%, because that time my capital was around 8 lakh or something. Then I made a good profit from my mutual fund also. I think around 55,000 or something, with a capital of I'll say 2-3 lakhs. And with that entire profit, I was extremely happy. And my equity shares major profit came from IEX when the share price moved from around 580 to around 750 and all. Then from the you can see from the last September onwards, the share market was falling, and because of FII selling, and my almost 50 percentage of my profit in equity shares got wiped out. And I was extremely disappointed, which is the reason why I went to option buying, which another was a very big mistake from my side, because I lost around 6.5 lakh in that. And let's say I was okay, but I had to recover this loss. And that's the time when I thought about option selling. And then I did option selling, and I recovered my entire loss. So I'll be showing all my P&L reports. So as I said before, this is I'm making this video as a motivational video to everyone, that nothing is impossible. Okay, everything is possible in life. You just has to believe in yourself, and you have to do it in the right way. And for me, my full I give full credit to PR Sundar and Sharik Shamsuddin. So one more thing I have to say is, I have never attended any of their courses. I just watch their YouTube videos. So again, I'm telling you, you don't want to even watch, you want to don't attend their courses. By just watching their YouTube videos only, I was able to make this profit, and I'm extremely happy with that. So let me, without any further things, let me go to the P&L report. So here I'm going to my P&L report of last financial year. So first, let me start with equity. And as I said, why I stopped doing equity investing, because see, one you may be making profit, let's say 6 months in a financial year, and if the next 6 months is very bad, you will lose the entire not entire profit, at least 50 percentage of your profit or something, which is not okay for me. So this is my profit for the last financial year. It gross PNL is around 1.36 lakh, and net PNL after all these charges is around 1.15 lakh from the equities. And it was around 2.5 lakh or something. And then, as I said, I lost heavily from that last year September onwards, when FIA started selling and the shares came down. And another mistake I did was, I was keep buying the shares when it was going high. This is a common mistake everyone makes. People will jump to buy shares when the share price is very high, which I say nobody should do. You should buy the shares in dip, and the share price is very low. And if you have some confidence on that shares, then you buy that. So for me, I never, not even a single day I had spent in analyzing the annual report of anything of any of the shares I bought. I just went with the trend. Whichever shares was doing good, I just bought them. And I got a huge profit from IRCTC, IEX. I'll say my major profit is from IEX, IRCTC, then DMart, then Happiest Minds, then few IT stocks and all, Mindtree, and like that. So then, as I said, from September onwards, when FIA started selling, I started losing my profit, and I got really disappointed. And even I got a profit of around close to 50k from mutual funds. There I had invested around 2 lakh, 2 lakh or more than that. I got close to 50,000 if I'm right from that. 2 to 3 lakh I would have invested there, and this 1.36 or net PNL 1.15 lakh you are seeing is I had an investment of around 7 to 10 lakh. And then whenever I also pulled some money for my personal use, and then again I put it back. So but the net capital used was around I'll say close to 8 lakh or something. With that I made this profit. And as I said, I never studied about any company. I just invested in good companies, as I mentioned before, and I was able to make this profit. And it was, as I said, it was around 2.5 lakh, and I lost it when the FIA started selling. So this was a big blow for me, and I was extremely disappointed. That's the time when I started watching videos of PR Sundar and Shahrukh Shamsuddin, hearing about these options. And let me tell you, everyone, if any one of you still thinks stock market people will lose money, I'll say it is a myth. Okay, you can make huge amount of money from stock market, and the only reason why we are not able to make it because why I was not able to make it because I had to go to work, I had to go to my office. I didn't have time for anything else. So Monday to Friday I'll be spending in office, then I'll be coming back. So little time I used to get even to invest in shares. So even I started investing huge amounts in shares from I'll say from this COVID time only. I just started in this 2021 April, around April only I started, because before that I think if you see my P&L it will be around 5k loss or something. Maybe let me see if I can show you that also. So 2020, what was it? It's not coming. Okay, I don't know why it is not coming. Anyway, let me see again. Okay, see, it's zero, so that means I didn't trade only in before that. So I traded only in this from around April of last financial year, and from equity I made around 1.15 lakh. Now the major thing I want to tell you about future and options. So with this watching this PR Sundar and Shahrukh Shamsuddin video, I came to future and options. And if you see the net profit from the last financial year from future and options is 1.43 lakh. Okay, gross PNL is 2.17 lakh, and net PNL is 1.43 lakh. So I ended both my equity and future and options in profit. And if I show you, as I said, due to option buying I was in a huge loss. And let me show that thing. So from 1/4/2021 till 24, see, if you see, my loss was around 6.37 lakh. Okay, with all these charges, and this is only from option buying. Then I stopped this option buying, and in the starting I had some loss from option selling. So I stopped around in the mid of Feb. So the whatever loss I had from there is from option selling, but that's okay, but it's very minimum. And then as I said, I started this option selling. As I said before, I took a capital of I had a capital of close to 7-8 lakh. Then I took a personal loan for 26 lakh, and from there 24 lakh I invested, and with a capital of 32 lakh 50,000 I started option selling. And with that, let me show you how much I made in just 1 month. In just 1 month I made, so from if you see 25 to 2022 till I made around 7.81 lakh. So that means I had a loss of close to 6.5 lakh in 3 months from option buying. That's from November end, or let's say December last year till February mid this year, I made a loss of 6.5 lakh from option buying. Then I did option selling, and in 1 month I got an average of 4.5% profit, and I recovered the entire loss. Not only that, I ended this financial year in positive, and I am extremely confident for I am looking forward for my next financial year. And also I made in just last this Friday, that is yesterday, I made a profit of around 40k. So I'm just showing that. So this is just this Friday profit. So my entire profit now stands at around 8.2 lakh. Okay, so why I am saying this, posting this video is just to show you guys that anything is possible. Okay, nothing is impossible, anything is possible. Anyone can make money. Whatever myth we have in options or stock market, all are wrong. I will say there were only few people who were getting the benefit of this. Only few people were doing it. And you know, right, why people were not able to make it? Because they have to go to work. Nobody has time to do the trading. And when everyone during retirement only they will start trading. Even my father, I have seen him trading after getting retirement. He didn't that time he didn't do trading only. He was just doing equity share investing. Okay, that he was doing. But when I checked his PNL, it was in loss only. So but it's just like a time pass for him. He is doing that. But if when I asked my father about this stock market, he never entertained me in, or he never motivated me in coming to stock market world. He tried his maximum to make me stay away from the stock market world. Why? Because he know that people cannot make money in a span of long run. But as I said, why people were not making money? Because they don't know what is happening, and they don't know what are the ways of making money. And they just like everyone, like they, when the stock price goes up, people will go and buy, and immediately it will go down, they will be in loss, they will sell it in loss. Again some other stock price will go up, they will buy, and when it goes down they will sell it. So this is the common mistake everyone are making. So always, if you don't have time, then I will say invest in mutual fund. If you have some time, then invest in mutual fund and equity shares, and you watch those shares. Always buy on dip, never buy a share on its high. Every year you will be getting at least a minimum 10-15 times where you will see there will be a drop in the share prices. So make use of that opportunity and buy shares. If you have some time, you can invest from your personal life to this share market. If you have more time, for me, I am a software engineer. I am doing work from home. I am earning around 2 lakh per month. I have a capital from that to invest here, and I have time. So I used to do my office work in the early morning and after 3:30, and the rest time, especially Wednesday, Thursday, I'll fully invest in stock market trading. And I was able to recover my loss. I had no prior experience in trading. I just started with the YouTube videos of PR Sundar and Shahrukh Shamsuddin. And let me tell you one more thing, I never attended any of the courses of PR Sundar or Shahrukh Shamsuddin. I just watched their YouTube videos. So it is free of cost, right? Anyone can watch it. You guys are wasting time in watching some vloggers videos, travel, food, or something like that. You are might be, at least I was wasting my, I will say, around 8 years watching those videos, and I was not getting any benefit out of that. People will say they are watching it for entertainment, but I will say it's a waste of time. There is no, I don't know what happiness. Maybe some happiness you will get, but what is the real happiness? What is will you be happy if they make money? You should also make money, right? So this is the place where you can make money. You can learn from those people, and also you also can make money. So that's why I'm telling. Please don't waste your time watching YouTube videos of stupid bloggers. Instead, you invest that time, you watch your videos, you are investing your personal time, you invest in something that is useful to you. Okay, so that's where I am regularly watching Shahrukh Shamsuddin and PR Sundar videos, PR Sundar's pre-market, post-market, Shahrukh Shamsuddin post-market videos every day I am watching. So all my trades I used to take accordingly, and a big shout out to those guys, I'll say. And I'm extremely happy that I was able to recover my entire loss of 6.5 lakh, and I was able to end the financial year in profit. And I started my career with a salary of 20k, just 20,000, and in that I was spending around 7,000 for rent, PG rent, and the rest around 3,000, 4,000 will go as travel expense. I used to travel at least 2 weeks to my hometown, and it was costing me around 2,000 to up and down. And then rest amount during my initial days I just spent it in buying branded shirts. I first bought my branded shirt after getting my first salary. So I was just using some some clothes that were not branded. So I was extremely disappointed in my college days when I used to see my friends, their father, they were very rich, so they used to do all those show of wearing branded shirts, branded jeans, branded shoes, coming in bikes. So I was from a middle class family, and my father was not able to afford. Maybe he was able to afford it, but it's actually a learning for me. He don't want to spend this money in things which is not worth. Even still I think now, because during my initial career only I spent a time in all those things. Now if I see, I'm not buying, even I am rarely buying any shirts or anything. I'm just using it now. After in the past 2 3 years, as work from home started, I never bought anything for any branded shirts or anything. Yeah, my in-laws have gifted me shirt on my birthday. Apart from that, I never bought it. So I use that money all in this trading, and I'm extremely happy where I stand. I was able to make a profit of 20% in 1 month, and I'm looking for this next financial year with high confidence. So this should be at least a motivational for at least few of you, to say you that anything is possible. Only thing is you have to do it in the right way. Okay, so I am from a middle class family. I was able to achieve it. I'm looking for a profit of close to 200 percentage in the next financial year. At least if I make 100 percentage also, I'll be happy. So I am targeting around 1.5 crore by the end of next financial year, that is by end of March 2023. And maybe I may lose money in the next financial year, but it's okay. At least I'm happy that I'm doing something different. I'm ready to take risk. I took a big risk, but I'm happy. I'm very confident also that I will be able to do it. Because if you don't do, if you, I will say, if you don't take any risk, and if you just sit at home without taking any risk, I will say you are wasting your time. Instead, you take risk. I am 31 years old. I am taking risk. When will I take risk? So the major reason why what was happening, I will say, before COVID was like people during their early age till 40, 50, 55 years, they will work hard for their whichever company they are working, and their savings will be there, but it will not be enough sometimes. But and they won't be definitely will be able to lead a luxurious life as they wish, right? And because we don't have time to invest. But I'll say COVID was actually a good thing. According to me, I COVID positive 2 times, and I was not well for around 4 weeks due to that. But still, I will say I learned something new during this time, and it is giving me a huge return. So I'll say this last month, I made around 15 lakh that is around 8 lakh from the stock market. Then my salary with the bonus came, it was around close to 6 lakh, and there was shares and worth 2 lakh. So like that, close to 15-16 lakh I made in this last month, and my target is to make at least 10 lakh per month. If you see, 10 lakh per month is 1.2 crore per year, and that is more than what you get in US, right? So if you think, if any one of you think that you will get you will be able to lead a good life if you go to abroad or anything, it is just, I am just telling you guys, see, you can make very good amount here only. You don't want to go to US and all. You can be with your parents, you can be in your hometown, you can make money. Only thing is you have to find it the right way of making it. That's all. So if this is a inspiration to any one of you, I'll be extremely happy. And if any one of you think I am just boasting, or I am just lying, or I am manipulating somehow whatever profit I showed, yeah, please skip my videos. As I said, I am not telling anyone to go and subscribe to any courses or anything. I'm not telling anyone to give money to me. I'm just saying my story plain, in a plain way, to everyone. Okay, so as I said, I watched just the YouTube videos of PR Sundar and Shahrukh Shamsuddin. I have never enrolled to any of the courses of PR Sundar or Shahrukh Shamsuddin or any other brokers, but I will say these two people, you just have to follow these two people, and you just watch their old videos. It is highly motivational, and it is highly inspiring. And even for me, as I said, right, when I came to this options, even to stock market, my father was not happy. He never allowed me. He said, don't come here. And then I consulted with my few of my friends who were already doing trading about Shahrukh Shamsuddin and all. Then they said it might be, he might be lying. It's most of the 99% people losing their money, so don't lose your money. So everyone discouraged me. No, not even a single person encouraged me except my wife. She was, I don't know what she was thinking, but she was always supporting to me, and she encouraged me. Because of my wife, I am here. And I know it's just 1 month I'm done. But what I'm saying is 3 months I made a loss of 6.5 lakh from option buying, and in 1 month I recovered the entire loss, and I ended the financial year in profit. But when I checked, right, in a week, when I was doing option buying, let's say on Monday and Tuesday I may be making some profit, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I used to make huge loss. And so, but in option selling you are making profit almost every day. So I hope this will be inspiring to at least some of you guys. And I will not be posting much videos, so maybe next video I'll post when my profit reaches 50%, or then the next video it will be on 100%, like that. So just this should be at least a motivation for few. Just start your life and live it as you wish. That's what I say. Okay, happy. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Thanks again.